उसको हाथ लगाना
Respected Maulana guest and my friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Sheikh Alfaz Imran. My school name is Gold Medal School, Jalna, Maharashtra. Today I am going to speak few words about what is Islam. Islam is a very important religion all over the world. It is second largest religion in the world. Islam is an Arabic word meaning peace and submission. The people who follow Islam are known as Muslim. Muslim believe in the oneness of Allah. Islam is also said religion of brotherhood. Islam is an Arabic word meaning. Islam is also said religion of brotherhood. Prophet Muhammad is the last prophet of Allah. The religion of Islam was brought by the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the century. Quran is the divine book of Islam. There are 3 sacred places in Islam: Makkah, Medina, and Masjid Aqsa. The people who follow the place where Muslims offer prayer is known as mosque. The Islam is religion of peace, security, and protection. They do not need to pray only a mosque but at any clean place. 5 pillars of Islam. This one: Tawheed, Namaz, Zakat, Hajj, and Roza. Muslim pray namaz 5 times a day. This one: Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib, and Isha. Ramzan is the most sacred month of Islam, communicating fast from sunrise to sunset. The revolution started by the holy month of Ramzan. Believers of Islam believe in Allah as the only God and hold Him in highest reverence. The Quran has 114 surahs and 30 parts. Among the book considered Quran are Tawrat. Tawrat revealed Hazrat Musa alayhi salam. The Zabur revealed to Hazrat Daud alayhi salam. The Injil revealed to Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. The Quran Sharif revealed to Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Eid al-Azha, Eid al-Fitr are some important festivals of Islam. Islam is so easy religion all over the world. Thank you.